We feel sad, confused, and anger because they came to our land, they came to our homes. Of course, it's very painful to leave, to back your home, to leave your families, part of your families, and to go somewhere. So it's hard. I don't know, we all want to come home, to back to Ukraine. I hope it will be temporary there, but who knows? We want to back to our homes, everyone, I think.
It's impossible to say, but it's hundreds, thousands. Like I said, every train is around 600 people. There's trains coming all the time. We don't know when they're coming, but we know they're coming. We cannot house everyone along the border. So the idea here is to get as many people out further with trains and buses to Warsaw, Krakow, to Germany, other places in Europe as soon as possible. Many people have an address they want to get to, they have a destination, but more and more people do not have a destination. Having been here for 2 weeks, I noticed that I really crave hope. Having seen and heard all these stories and the tragedies and seen all these small kids, I mean, it's really hard to get a break and be positive about the future. But I mean, the only thing that can help us and help the people from Ukraine right now is solidarity. So I look at funding from abroad as a symbol of solidarity, and that gives me hope.